It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert, Ms. Amrita, today. Ma'am, the question is, what is the one factor according to you that stops someone from being a successful investor?
There is a very short brain organ called a brain part called amygdala. And amygdala in Latin means almond shape. So it is the almond shaped structure in our brain, and it is called the lizard brain. Again, every reptile has it. Even the lizard in our house has kind of a brain. So its main function is it is called the fear processing center. The moment something negative happens, it will send those fear stimulus to rest of the brain, to rest of the body, and fear shrouds us. So a lot of loss aversion happens because we let amygdala and the kind of stimulus and signal it is sending impact us. You have to think whether your thinking is getting driven by amygdala or whether can I use the wrinkles in my brain, the cerebrum of my brain to decide. Loss aversion is also many a times we'll hold on to a real estate property and it has not been appreciating for years and years and years. In fact, its value is going down. But we don't want to sell that property because we don't want to convert the paper loss into actual loss. That means loss aversion bias also gives rise to something called endowment effect or disposition effect. What do we mean by endowment effect is the reluctance to sell non-performing assets. We want to hold on to that insurance policy which was sold to us some 30-40 years ago, which is not giving us any return at all. We might want to hold on to some stocks that are going to disappear into oblivion, like Alvin, Kelvinator. These companies are no longer existing. But if people were thinking, no, we'll hold on to these companies, that wealth only would have got eroded. So sometimes we hold on to deteriorating asset classes because we don't want to convert the paper loss into actual loss. That is called endowment. We want to hang on to it because to see realized loss is a very, very uncomfortable feeling. And we think psychologically that we'll get our investment amount back. It will appreciate further. It is all false hope. So that is also called endowment effect.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.